This is our CabStore locker system. So the idea of this is to make use of the often dormant second bunk. You know, there are guys out there that use both bunks, no problem with that at all. But for those, especially fleet customers as well, where it's usually one guy, one truck, we keep the bottom bunk totally free, huge amount of headroom, you know, we don't compromise on any of that. And then we use the additional space in the top of the roof to install these lockers. They are colour and texture matched to the truck, so they look as though they're supposed to be here from the factory. Very few visible mounting points as well. I'll point out a couple of brackets, but to be honest, other than that, it's quite slick the way it's all installed. Quick to fit as well. Probably have them in about an hour and a half, 2 hours if you've never fitted a set. If there's a bunk there you need to take out, then obviously you need to allow half an hour to take that out as well, but they are quick. One of the key features of CabStore, which we've rolled out across all of the brands, not just for Mercedes, are these sliding doors. They're there more for, you know, aesthetics, but also for, you know, user friendliness as well. It's nice and easy to slide up. It glides beautifully on the tracks in the locker there, and it gives you a huge opening. There's no door to swing out and collide with lights and all sorts of stuff, or out here and, you know, you clonk in the face when you're trying to put your bag in. You slide it up, throw your stuff in, slide it down, done, nice and easy. Average size of storage in one of these is like 350 litres plus. Some of the bigger models are up to 500 litres. You can get so much stuff in them, literally so much stuff, easily like 5 days worth of stuff plus more when you're out on the road. You might notice as well, the centre one here is a little bit bigger. It is bigger. It's bigger for a specific reason, and that is it's designed to take our truck chef microwave, which we've done in this one. So if I slide this door up, you'll see there is a microwave, truck chef as we call it, proper 24-volt microwave. There is an inverter, but it's all built in. You know, there's none of this separate inverter in this locker and then the wires all come through and then there's a household microwave and that sort of thing. It's 800 watts. It is the most powerful pure 24-volt microwave available on the market. It's 20 litres. It's exactly what you're used to having at home. Simple dial control system, no gimmicks, no gadgets. Pop your food in, whack on the power, and away it goes and cooks your food. Will run for half an hour on a full battery, no problem at all. It's got a built-in battery guard. It's not going to drain anything down, so you can't start the truck and all that stuff. But yeah, it's a good bit of kit. We get a lot of good feedback from drivers on it. It's very reliable. Simple rotating plate inside as well, just easy to clean. And yeah, so that's Truck Chef. Thanks for watching this video. You'll find further information on this product below. If you need any further help, please contact our sales team. Thank you.